Feel the vibe, let the LoveWise journey start. Real logic for the head and the heart. Yeah, we're leveling up, the LoveWise journey start. Yeah. Real logic for the head and the heart. Yeah. Yeah, tired of the guessing games and advice that's thin. You're looking for the blueprint, where to begin. It's for the night shifters and the students in the hall who want the heavy hitters, not the fluff it all. We study how to lead, how to stand, how to link, giving you a minute just to stop and think instead of let the LoveWise journey start. Real logic for the head and the heart. Yeah, yeah, we're leveling up, the LoveWise journey start. Real logic for the head and the heart. Yeah. No more scrolling for a sign in the dark room. Get the manual, watch the clarity bloom. We break the text down line by line, pure gold. Building up a character that's steady and bold. It's the science of the bond, the art of the walk. Walking with a purpose while the others just talk. Deep bass, clean slate, yeah, we're moving fast. Building on a foundation meant to last. Fresh eyes on the page, see the vision, get clear. Everything you need is already right here. Feel the vibe and the LoveWise journey start. Real logic for the head and the heart. Yeah, we're leveling up, the LoveWise journey start. Real logic for the head and the heart. Step into the circle and find your rhythm. LoveWise journey. Join thousands, growing deeper in faith, one verse at a time.